In today's video, I am going to teach you how to view your contact tier and marketing contact count in Hubspot. This is a quick check, but it is an important one. Your marketing contact count affects what you can do in Hubspot marketing tools and how your account is billed. Knowing your current count and your tier limit helps you avoid surprises and plan campaigns with confidence. To get started, make sure you are logged into your Hubspot account. Once you are on your main dashboard, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You will see your account name or your profile avatar there. Go ahead and click it. This opens a drop-down menu with several account-level options. From that menu, select Account and Billing. This takes you to the area where Hubspot keeps your subscription information, payment and billing details, and usage limits across different parts of your portal. If you have the right permissions, you will be able to see these settings. If you do not see Account and Billing, you may need to ask an admin on your team to grant access or to check this information for you. After you open Account and Billing, look for the Usage and Limits tab. In many accounts, this is the default page that loads automatically, so you may already be on it. If not, click into Usage and Limits to continue. Now scroll through the page until you find the section labeled Marketing Contacts. This section is where Hubspot summarizes your current marketing contact count and your tier limit. The count tells you how many contacts are currently set as marketing contacts, and the tier limit shows the maximum number included in your current plan. Take a moment to read both numbers carefully. When you are monitoring usage over time, it can also help to check this page regularly, especially before launching a large campaign or importing a new list, so you stay within the tier that fits your budget and goals. And that is all there is to it.